Hello everyone. My name is Akash. I have 13 years of experience in telecommunication. Today, I am going to walk you through the different O-RAN interfaces and O-RAN node implementation options. There are some interfaces that are defined and maintained by O-RAN, and some are defined and maintained by 3GPP, but seen also as part of the O-RAN architecture. The following interfaces are defined and maintained by O-RAN. A1 interface, O1 interface, O2 interface, E2 interface, and Open Fronthaul interface. And the interface defined and maintained by 3GPP are E1 interface, F1C interface, F1U interface, NGC interface, NGU interface, X2C interface, X2U interface, XNC interface, XNU interface, and UU interface. Let's see the O-RAN specified interfaces in a bit more details. A1 interface. A1 is the interface between the non-RT-RIC function in SMO and the near RT-RIC function. A1 interface supports three types of services: Policy Management Service, Enrichment Information Service, Machine Learning Model Management Service. There are some characteristics of A1 policies. A1 policies are not critical to traffic, have temporary validity, may handle individual UE or dynamically defined groups of UEs, act within and take precedence over the configuration, are non-persistent, that is, do not survive a restart of the near RT-RIC. Now let's understand the O1 interface. It is interface between O-RAN managed element and the management entity, SMO. This interface provides FCAPS support. FCAPS is based on the ISO model, which defines 5 conceptual areas for managing networks. These are fault, configuration, accounting, performance, and security. Now let's move on to next interface, that is O2 interface. The O2 is the interface between the SMO and the O-Cloud to provide platform resources and workload management. Functions to be performed over the O2 interfaces are O-Cloud infrastructure, discovery and administration. O-Cloud infrastructure, scale in, scale out. O-Cloud infrastructure, FCAPS. O-Cloud infrastructure, platform software management. Deployment, creation, deletion and assignment of O-Cloud infrastructure. Deployment, scale in, scale out of assigned O-Cloud infrastructure resources. Deployment, FCAPS, PM, FM, for assigned O-Cloud infrastructure resources. And deployment, software management. Next is Open Fronthaul interface. The lower layer split M plane, LLSM, facilitates the initialization, configuration and management of the ORU to support the stated functional split. O-RAN fronthaul specification addresses the lower layer functional split referred to as the O-RAN control user and synchronization CUS plane. It has 3 parts: control, user and synchronization plane. First is user plane. Data flow 1A. Downlink IQ data. Data flow 1B. Uplink IQ data. And data flow 1C. PRH IQ are part of user plane. C plane includes O data flow 2A. Scheduling commands and beamforming commands. O data flow 2B. Listen before talk LBT. Configuration commands and requests. Data flow 2C. LBT status and response messages. Synchronization plane has O data flow S. Timing and synchronization data. E2 interface is next on our list. E2 is a logical interface connecting the near RT-RIC with an E2 node. The protocols over E2 interface are based exclusively on control plane protocols. The E2 functions are grouped into the following categories. Near RT-RIC services, that are report, insert, control and policy. And near RT-RIC support functions, which includes interface management, E2 setup, E2 reset, E2 node configuration update, reporting of general error situations. O-RAN architecture. Specify the O-RAN nodes near RT-RIC, OCUCP, OCUUP, ODU and ORU as separate entities. It is possible in the implementation to bundle some or all of these O-RAN nodes, and thus collapsing some of the internal interfaces. Following implementation options are possible. Disaggregated network functions as per O-RAN architecture. Bundle the OCUCP and OCUUP. Bundle the OCUCP, OCUUP and ODU. Bundle the near RT-RIC, OCUCP and OCUUP. Bundle the OCUCP, OCUUP, ODU and ORU. Bundle the ODU and ORU. Bundle the near RT-RIC, OCUCP, OCUUP, ODU and ORU. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will look on netconf procedures. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.